In a quiet New Mexico town, 2% of the population can hear a sound that's slowly driving them insane. 1990, Taos, New Mexico. Residents began reporting a strange, persistent humming sound. Only some could hear it. They described it like a diesel engine idling in the distance, a low-frequency hum that never stopped. At first, people thought it was machinery or power lines, but the sound followed them everywhere, into their homes, their bedrooms, even remote areas with no electricity. And that's when the symptoms started. But the hum was invisible to recording equipment. Scientists arrived with sensitive acoustic tools. They found nothing. The government investigated. Universities sent research teams. Still nothing. Meanwhile, the sufferers grew desperate. Chronic headaches, sleepless nights. Some packed up and left town forever. Others couldn't escape the sound no matter where they moved. A few attempted suicide. Then reports started coming in from around the world. The same hum, the same symptoms. Bristol, England, Bondi, Australia, Kokomo, Indiana, always affecting 2% of the population, always undetectable by science. The Taos hum continues today. No one knows what causes it or how to make it stop.